Last page. Question 24. Grandma Millie is shrinking. That means getting smaller. Over the past 3 years, her height has decreased 2.7 inches. Wow, that's quite a lot. Her height decreased by the same amount in each year. Great, that means I can divide because I know the total amount that her height has decreased and I know the number of years that her height has decreased, so I can divide the total amount by the number of years, by the same amount each year. She wants to know how much her height has changed per year. Okay, so we know the total, we want to know the part. We know the whole, we want to know the part. How much her height has changed per year, per 1 year. So decreased means it's negative 2.7 inches divided by 3 equals 0.9. 0.9, so almost a whole inch per year. Interesting. Now, which of the following equations best matches the situation above? Negative 3 divided by 2.7, that doesn't make any sense because the number of years can't be negative. The number of years is just the number of years. 3 divided by negative 2.7, well, it doesn't make any sense to divide the number of years by the number of inches, so that doesn't make any sense. Negative 2.7 divided by 3, well, that's what I wrote here, so that probably is correct. Negative 2.7 representing the number of inches divided by the number of years. 2.7 divided by negative 3, again, that doesn't make sense because she didn't grow 2.7 inches, she shrank 2.7 inches, so it must be option C. Question 25. Which expression is equivalent to the following complex fraction? A complex fraction is a fraction that has a fraction as a numerator or a denominator or both. So here the numerator is 7 over negative 3 over negative 2. So in this case the numerator is a fraction, the denominator is not a fraction. Okay, so 7 over negative 3 over 2, which represents 7 over negative 3 divided by negative 2 over 1. That's what it means. Now, if I wanted to solve this, I would stay, flip, flip. So it would be 7 over negative 3 times 1 over negative 2. And that would equal, just for the heck of it, might as well just solve it, would equal 7 over positive 6. So improper fraction, I can divide. 7 divided by 6 is 1, and 1/6 would remain. So I've done more work than I really need to, but that's always fun to do. Now, which of these expressions is equivalent to that one there? 7 over negative 3 divided by 1 over 2. No, it's divided by 2 over 1. No, it should be divided by 2 over negative 2 over 1, not 1 over negative 2. Negative 2 divided by 7 over negative 3. Definitely not, because the numerator is 7 over 3. Can't be. Flip them upside down. Negative 3 over 7 times 2 over 1. Nope, that doesn't make sense because the first dividend needs to stay, so it should remain 7 over 3. You should not flip the dividend. And then must be number D by elimination, but let me double check. 7 over negative 3 times 1 over negative 2. Yep, that's what I have right here. So that must be right, because I have 7 over negative 3 times 1 over negative 2. So a test-taking tip, make sure you do all of the work yourself. If you do all of the work, then you just It's just a matter of time before you find the right answer. If you're just going through the answers, it's very easy to get caught. It's very easy to get tricked. So just make sure that you do the work, and then you just find the option, find the choice that is the correct one, that matches your own work. Last question. It takes a helicopter 9/20ths of a minute to fly 4/5ths of a mile. What is the helicopter's speed in miles per minute? Okay, 9/20ths of a minute to fly 4/5ths of a mile. First thing you have absolutely got to do is set up the ratio in words. It's looking for miles per minute. Miles per minute. Now I can't go wrong because I know that my miles has to be on top. My miles is my numerator, minute is the denominator. So I'm looking for mile number 4/5ths. 4/5ths. 4/5ths over 9/20. Okay? Looks complicated, looks messy, but I know exactly what to do. 4/5ths divided by 9/20. Set it up. 4/5ths divided by 9/20. Stay. 4/5ths. Flip, dividing to multiplying. Flip the fraction. 20 over 9. Cross cancel. It's a different color. Cross cancel. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Makes life easier. Now I have 16 over 9. Divide so that I can simplify, and I get 1 7/9. 16 divided by 9 goes only one time. And 7 remaining. 1 7/9 miles per minute. It's not mph, it's miles per minute. And that is the end of the team review. Make sure that you make a good toolkit. I'll make an extra video for making a toolkit, and make sure that you are ready for your interim assessment because you have mastered all of these standards. Make sure that you're ready in plenty of time. Ask questions, go to morning math, go see your math teacher, get all the help you need, make sure you're ready. Good luck, but you won't need it.